If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. If you are wondering how to make money online, you need to focus on what you are already good at. You have talents that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to lean on them. If you would like to make money online, do not hesitate to try out a few ideas, and remember that there are people who are willing to help you. Put together a cohesive strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with a solid internet connection. So without any delay, let's start the video. But before, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. As we mentioned above, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Today we will tell you 3 such ways of earning money online by which you can easily start earning $1,000 to $2,000 per day by working for a few hours sitting at home. Number 1. Freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Flex jobs and solid gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work in general. You will not have to worry about any scam jobs at Flex Jobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on Flex Jobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out Solid Gigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you with Solid Gigs. You won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. Number 2. Virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. Number 3. Sell your art and photography. Another option is to sell your art and photography. If you are a creative person, you may want to consider selling your creative products to start making money online. For example, if you love taking pictures of animals, you might be able to sell them online. Or if you have a knack for taking pictures of people, you may want to get hired as a photographer. You should try to take advantage of different social media marketing strategies that can help you get your name out there. That way more people will learn about your art and photography, and they will be interested in the services you provide. Keep in mind that art comes in many shapes and forms. You might be skilled with a paintbrush, or you might be skilled with a computer. Digital artwork has become very popular during the past few years, and you might want to use your skills with the computer to produce digital artwork for other people. With so many people interested in starting an online business or their own online store, you might even be able to produce artwork and photography that can double as a logo for a new company. Do not forget to ask your customers to leave reviews that can help you expand your online presence. That way you can generate more business for yourself. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.